I'm Neil Eisgaard from the Surf Anywhere project.
Hey, Jacob Kelly with Surf Anywhere River Break.
Wir sind an die Plattlingerwelle.
Taking in some waves, doing a little surfing.
This is the first stop on our European Wave Project tour. We've been meeting wave builders, just did a presentation at the Flusswelle Forum, talking about wave projects, how to build waves and how to build surf community.
So awesome to meet all the locals, find out the stories, find out about community. Yeah, we're all set. Here we go.
It's not really hard to find. If you pass by train or by the road, you can see the wave. And we started about 15 years ago, mostly on ropes behind cars, and It was pretty dangerous because sometimes we get stuck in the current with the ropes, and there were a lot of injuries. But nowadays we are only surfing with surfboards, bodyboards, certain water levels. It's really good for surfing. And the community is growing and growing. It's incredible. It's really famous nowadays. Yeah, it's really positive here. It's not so... Here is no localism. Everybody is welcome. So Canadians or Americans come to us, visit our wave. We are really friendly, and in the community, the surf level is also growing. The last years, the guys now are doing 360s and all the stuff. And a few years ago, when we started, we were all standing in the wave only in the front and no turning, only standing in the wave. Like you know the old pictures from Malibu, where all the old guys standing here and going to the beach. And this was like a few years ago, but now the level is growing, the community is growing. Yes, the city downstream, Passau. We are planning a wave, or we gave the idea of planning a wave to the city. So now they're checking. We have 3 rivers there, so there is a huge potential to do any river wave. And let's see. Okay. We visited yesterday the forum in Munich to hear a lot of good ideas from Canada, from the Surf Anywhere project and other projects around. It was great stuff. We are searching for ideas, especially for how to build a river wave in naturally flowing rivers. So, because we have huge problems also with the fishes, with also the legal problems, and so we have to see if there are any solutions to building a wave without these problems.